So here we have our billet machined brake lever guards. This one is fitted to a Ducati Supersport. As you can see, this is a two-piece design. The front piece, you're able to slacken off two screws on the back and position this in exactly the place you need. Everything is all 3D machined, all beveled or chamfered off, so there's no sharp edges. There's a 6mm screw which goes into the clip-on into an expanding bush. It's a pretty tasty design. Subtle, not in your face. No cheesy logos. No cheap Chinese materials. The anodizing is quality. Yeah, that's all we've got to say about it.